This moose could crush this French family without any problem. A full-grown moose can stand up to 2.3 meters tall at the shoulder and weigh over 700 kilograms. You'll find the largest populations in countries like Canada and Russia, where vast forests give them space to roam. Despite their size, moose can run up to 55 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most humans can sprint. And here's the dangerous part. Thousands of accidents happen every year when cars collide with moose, especially in places like Sweden. Their long legs make them incredibly deadly in crashes, as their bodies hit the windshield directly. So if you ever see one, keep your distance.
On est sec.
C'était capoté. Tu l'as tué?
Clair.
Tu l'as vu, man?